Hi friends, thank you for watching Get More Information channel. In this video, I will explain you about loan process in ICICI Bank. Before applying the loan process, you should watch the part 1 video. This is the part 2 and about the FAQ questions on the loan process. What type of documents are required and what is the procedure and how to apply for the loan process. I will explain you clearly in this video. Don't skip the video. And who are watching newly to my channel, subscribe to my channel. In this channel I am posting about only ICICI Bank opportunities and some work from home job opportunities. Okay, this is the mail I am getting from the ICICI Bank. Okay, in this mail each and every details will be there. Clearly I was explained there in part 1. You can watch the part 1. If you click there for the OPQ test, FAQs for applying the loan, the page is open like that. Annexure 1, important instructions for the educational loan applications. Okay, one by one you can read it out. I will also explain here. For if you want to apply for the loan, first of all you need your PAN card, Aadhaar card and your declaration and your signature and with your passport size photo. Your signature on the white color page with your blue color pen. Signature is mandatory. Your PAN card is mandatory. Without PAN card, you will not get any sanction letter from the ICICI Bank. And your photo and your Aadhaar card. These 4 documents are very mandatory. And right now the loan process is over the online only. There is no offline process. If you are selected, then you will get a mail. Your congratulations. Your application is considered for the PO Manipal Academy program. And if you want to apply for the loan process, click here and you can apply for the loan process. Like that you will get this mail. In this mail, click here option is there. So you can go through the one by one. Already I told with you about the documents process and the online loan process. This is online loan process which is I am explaining you right now. Okay, so step by step you can read out all the pages. Total 5 pages will be there in this PDF. Okay, in the FAQ PDF, questionnaire PDF, this one. Here clearly given the link also. This link is for the online loan process. If you want to apply for the online loan process, click on this link. Then you will get some Google forms and you need to fill those needs and then you will submit your application. Then if you are eligible or not, automatically system will check with the ICICI Bank websites and then accordingly the terms and conditions, if you are eligible, then you will get your loan was approved and sanctioned. And after that you need to complete your video KYC. If you are not done with your video KYC also, you will not get any loan from the ICICI Bank. Video KYC process is 100% must and should. That is very important. Okay, so if you applied for the loan, at the same time, as much as possible, at the same time you can complete your video KYC. For the video KYC process, you need camera. That is, if you have the mobile, then you can use your front camera and give the permissions to allow, and then you can take your photo and video KYC as per the instructions, and your PAN card and your Aadhaar card and your signature. These 4 documents are mandatory. And one more thing, very important point, while verifying with your mobile number, the registered mobile number with ICICI Bank and at the same time registered mobile number with your Aadhaar card should be same. If you are using the different mobile numbers, then you will not get any OTP and your mobile number will not verified. If your mobile number will not verified, then you are not eligible to take a loan in ICICI Bank. These steps are very important. Please follow these steps and don't skip the video. Okay, very important points I will explain you in this video. So who are watching newly to my channel, subscribe to my channel friends. Okay, so I am uploading in this channel about only the ICICI Bank job opportunities and what are the requirements and when will come new updates. Each and everything I am uploading in this channel only. And try to subscribe and share this information to all your friends and support to me. Please come to the point. List of the documents. Already I told with you now. So please ensure that the documents are really available all in the PDF formats. Your photo is in PDF, your Aadhaar card is in PDF and your signature is in PDF and your PAN card is in PDF. All are in the PDF format, less than 700 KB only. Take color xerox of your Aadhaar card, make 8 digits both sides. Okay, mark 8 digits. Then you can take a color xerox of your Aadhaar card and you can mark your 8 digits on the both sides. Okay, and mark is nothing but you can take a pen or marker and you can write your Aadhaar card number on the color xerox, and then you can convert into the PDF format. Okay, take a xerox copy of all your pages and also sign in on the page and upload it. And original PAN card is mandatory and must upload PAN card folder only. If you want to upload your PAN card, original PAN card is mandatory. Don't take printouts in a paper. I am just applying for the PAN card right now today only. I have a application. Shall I apply this application or not? Like that, some people have some doubts. So application forms not allowed. So please try to understand only PAN card. That is also original PAN card is required. These all are the original documents. 10th class mark sheet, 12th class mark sheet, UG mark sheets, degree certificate and other folders in the post graduation. These documents are very, very important, friends. Don't neglect these documents. Okay, so one more sanction letter. This is about the sanction letter. This is page number 3. Below list of documents. This is you should submit it physically at Icici Manipal Academy. Okay, after getting the sanction letter, what is the procedure is explaining here. After getting the sanction letter, you can take a Xerox copy. 2 copies is mandatory. 1 copy you can give your signature and you can give your date of joining in the Manipal University. After that, convert into the PDF format of 18 pages is there in the loan sanction letter. And required document is also given here. Fill it correctly and also put applicant signature on the each paper and demand a privacy note. It is here promissory note pages. Affix 1 rupee revenue stamp, 1 paisa, and put cross signature on it. 1 rupee note will be available in the market. Okay, you can take 1 rupee stamp document, give your signature in all the 18 papers of the sanction letter, convert into the PDF format, and you can upload it in the Icici career website, which is given the link. And at the same time, you can take with you before joining in the Manipal University, and you can forward to the same sanction letter to the RM also who are available in the Manipal University, and you will get a call from the RM also. Okay, note is given here. The applicant will have to download the post sanction documents, credit facility, application form, total 18 pages from the given link. If you want to download your loan sanction letter, the link is provided here. You can click on the link and you can download your loan sanction letters. Directly you will download here. So don't call to the HR department. I am not getting any loan sanction letter. So already my sanction letter is approved, but I don't have any mail here. Like that, don't call to the HR department. They will not help you. Why? Because clearly the link is mentioned here. If you click on that link and you can download your loan sanction letter, take the printout, give your signature in all the 18 pages and convert into the PDF format, and you can upload it after giving the signature, and at the same time take with you along with you before joining in the Manipal University, and you can submit one loan sanction letter to the Manipal University. This is the procedure. Okay, and the sample form credit facility application is also available on below link is given. If you want to go to the www.ACS Careers PO credit facilities, what type of credits will be there for the PO? If you want to know the details, click on the second link which is displaying on the display. You will get a mail and each and everything. Then you can go to the email. Definitely all your problems and all your doubts will be resolved. Don't skip the video, friends. This video, as I am explaining here clearly step by step process, so I am requesting you don't skip the video. Candidate has to fill a sign on each pages of the post sanction documents. See here 3.1, the point number is rupee revenue stamp 1 paise. Collect it from any nearby the post office. The 1 rupee stamp document, already I told with you now, this document will be available in the post office. Don't go to the anywhere. Directly go to the post office and you can ask to them. They will give the 1 rupee stamp document. Important point noted down, all the documents mentioned above mandatory to collect and should be submit to the RM at Manipal Academy. And the filling which is your result and rejection and educational loan and the applications will have the either self or the quit the program. Clearly mentioned here in the note. Okay, this is about the loan process, friends. So after going to the Manipal University, one RM is there. he is collecting your documents and he will check your sanction letters, loan sanction letters, each and everything. This is Annexure B. Please find the RM details. Here the RM details is given clearly. In the Bangalore, location is Bangalore. The name of the RM is Aniket. Okay, the email ID is given here. RM details ICICI Bank Limited, and handling states, all states. If you will come from the north, south, east, west, any zone, all the cases handled by this RM only. Okay, for HR queries, related queries, you can contact po.program@icicibank.com. If you have any problem, you can mail to the po.program@icicibank.com. This email ID is also available in the mail only. The terms and conditions for the loan. See here, eligibility criteria. See, should have the Indian national. You should be an Indian person only, and has been selected under the ICICI Bank Manipal Academy offers program. If Manipal Academy will provides you the joining formalities, PO offer letter, then only you are eligible to join in the PO program. Rate of interest is 12.75. Maximum loan amount is 4 lakhs, and processing fees is nil. Penalty is nil, and payment charges is nil. Charges for the late payment 500 plus taxes for the check. If you pay the amount very late, then 5%, 500 rupees will be penalty. You should be pay the penalty of 500 rupees. And the repayment methods, everything is given here clearly. Maximum moratorium period, nothing but if you can pay the amount within the course, within the 12 months. That is the course of period. This is 12 months course of period you should pay. Okay, and the loan disconnect, see here, as per the payment schedule the payment will be done. The total fees is 2,55,500 rupees including the GST. In this fees you will get food, hostel, and the training fees, and you will get a tab also. The cost of tab is nearly 20 to 25,000 rupees is there. And if you have any other questions, FAQ questions and answers also given here. Which mobile number I have to fill, and see what should I fill in the customer locations and online loan process, what I need to fill the process shop, what to fill the date of the comments of the course, where I have to submit the signature and sanction letter for the PO credit policy, and from where I will open my ICICI bank salary account. Like that, each and everything. If you have all the doubts, please read out all these FAQs, then all your doubts will be resolved one by one. So don't skip the video, try to watch the full video, then only you will get the understand. So if you have any other concerns apart from this, please comment me, definitely I will help out. Okay, this is about the FAQ questions regarding to the loans. Then in the next video I will explain you step by step process, and what type of options will be there and how to apply for the loan. I will explain you step by step process. Who want to apply for the loan, please subscribe to my channel, and you can comment me, definitely I will upload that video as much as possible. Okay, and if anyone are newly watching, see here, this is the loan process. Okay, this is the PDF of the loan process. I will explain you step by step process, friends. Don't skip the video. Share this information to all your friends, and who are watching newly to my channel, please subscribe and support to me. I want your support, friends. Then when I will upload the new videos and new updates. Don't forget to subscribe and share to all your friends, and have a great day.